Essex, and I am your network marketing, affiliate marketing, online success connection. Welcome to my channel. Our channel is all about giving reviews on company, tools, and products in our industry. We deal primarily with how to make money with network marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and how to generate unlimited leads for your home-based business. Every day we give a review so that you can make a well-informed decision. If you are interested in any of these topics, feel free to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and also to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified every day when we release our videos. With that being said, guys, let's get into today's review. Hello everyone, this is Sandra Essex, your online marketing success connection. And what I'd like to share with you today is a fabulous online workshop that I have stumbled upon that's really getting a lot of buzz out there on the internet. A lot of people are looking for ways to make money online, are very interested in learning how to market and make money with YouTube. And I have found this awesome training, free online workshop that can show newbies step by step how they can make money online using YouTube, and they don't have any technical skills. Now, the program that this person, Andy Hartfield, is teaching, it will teach you how to make money on YouTube. Andy Hartfield is an internet marketer. He's been marketing online since 2010. Right now, he is earning multiple six-figure income, and what he is doing is offering a free web class showing newbies how to make money online. And if this class is getting so much excitement on the internet, a lot of people that I know have tried it, and their YouTube channel is really blowing up with some of the nuggets of wisdom that this young man is sharing. So some of the things that you'll get in this free online workshop is you're going to see how to find affiliate products that sell themselves and how to quickly attract buyers without doing keyword research. He's going to show you how to make viral videos with your voice in 15 minutes without showing your face. And this right here is awesome because a lot of people want to start a YouTube channel, but they really can't get past that fear of showing their faces on camera. So I thought that this topic would touch a lot of people, you know, who are sitting on the fence wanting to get a YouTube channel, but really is letting fear stop them. Now, another topic that they'll be sharing is how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in the shortest amount of time as possible. Now, that's awesome right there, because one of the keys to be able to make money on YouTube is that you're going to have at least 1,000 subscribers. So he's going to show you in this free online workshop how to get 1,000 subscribers. Also, he says that register before the seats fill up, because it's a lot of high demand for what he's teaching us. And then he's going to give you a $600 free quick start workbook as a bonus for coming to his free webinar. Now, again, if you're interested in learning how to make a profitable YouTube channel, I would suggest that this it will be a fabulous educational avenue to look at, because it is 100% free live online workshop where you're going to be learning the tricks of the trade from a master marketer that's making a six-figure income. So again, if you're interested in learning how to build a profitable website and how to be able to make a full-time income off of YouTube, I would suggest that you take a look at this free online workshop. Now, I hope that you have found some value with this orientation on this free online workshop that we just did. If you did get some value with this information, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, because I do respond to all my feedback and questions. If you would like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below this video, and feel free to leave any comments, ask any questions, because again, I do reply to all my comments. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sandra Essex signing off. Again, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you will be notified when I release my daily videos. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, take care, and I'll see you on our next review.